Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here, we're going to go over Compound. Compound right now is trading at $56.75. 24-hour volume, we're up 32%, and market cap, we're up 3.89%. So heading over to the chart, we're going to cover our week, 1 day, and then 1 hour here. And so far for the week here, you guys, we are going to have some pullback. So far in the week, simply put, our RSI is achieving a high of 87%. And whenever we see our K line, which is the white line above 80%, we are considered to be overbought and price is going to retrace downward. Not only that, but we can see that the price itself is coming up to our resistant area here at $62.26. We can see a few weeks here has touched at the very upper wick and got rejected down at this area of resistance. And of course, if the RSI is approaching to be overbought at an area of resistance, price is going to come back down because there is a selling opportunity to be found here on a shorter time frame. Now, if we can take a look again at what that possibly may look like in the next couple of days to come, because we are at our weekly time frame, is areas of point of interest. Now, if we take a look at our two fib charts, we have a point of interest of an overlap of our lines here around $53.70. And then we have another point of interest here is around the $48.59. Depending on how fast the current or the momentum it is going to be measured by our MACD indicator. And as we can see, the MACD indicator here is not aggressive here. As we can see, the bars itself is quite minimal. It's not a surge of the price itself. So as price is coming down, because we are considered to be overbought, be prepared for price to come down to retest the 53% as an area of support or an area of interest. We can see on week July 18th and August 1st, prices came down here and supported this area zone. Not only that, but if the price itself or the MACD indicator, these two lines cross over at this point of interest, price is going to break through that area of support. And here's our next retracement at $48.59. Heading over to our daily chart here, you guys, again, we are in dangerous territories as we are considered to be oversold, overbought here at 98%. Over above, their 80% is going to be considered to be overbought and price is going to come back down. As we can see already in the day itself, the session is quite small. We can barely see any of the wick at the top and any of the wick at the very bottom. So essentially it is going to go in neutral ground so far for today. And if we do see a neutral candlestick itself, then it is going to be determined by tomorrow's close. Essentially, if the close is going to be above the candlestick or if the close is going to be below the candlestick, price is going to come down. But again, we do know price is going to come down because of the RSI is already considered to be overbought. As price is going to come back down, we have our retracement level here at $55.09 at 38% of our fib. And as I zoom out here, we're going to take a look at our volume as well. And we do see this node again sticking out closer to $56.41. But not only that, we do want to see the supply and demand zones. And what we can see here so far is the outskirts of this area here of our nodes at $55.54, just above the 38% of our fib, and hopefully by then at that dollar price we're able to catch ourselves. Going into our hourly chart here, you guys, we can see more refined candlesticks, but most importantly the surge of the volume at 190 trades in this hour. I know it's not a whole lot, but the volume itself for Compound is quite high for this retracement, for this jump, and already we can see we are considered to be overbought at this retracement or at this level because we can see the price hits the top of the Bollinger Band. Now, normally the top of the Bollinger Band and confirmation of our RSI already gives us a dead ringer. Price is going to come back down. As price has already come back down, it came at an area at a 78% of our fib. If we take a look at the RSI here, you guys, be very, very cautious of this if you are trading at 1 hour, is that the lines itself Normally, when it crosses over, they expand, but in this case, they're narrowing. And if they narrow and cross over once again, it's going to be a selling opportunity. If we take a look at our candlestick patterns itself, it's not helping us either. As we have a jump in the price or the close, we can see a small little space in between here. This is left liquidity essentially, and price is going to cover it. Therefore, the price on the candlestick here has filled up that left liquidity. Now, if we take a look again, as the candlesticks are forming, the bullish or the lack of bullish of these actual candlestick bodies is really concerning, because what may actually happen here is breaking an area of support or an area of retracement, simply put, our 78% of our fib. We may break this area of 78% of our fib because the MACD indicator shows us a weakness of the bulls and ultimately may flicker or change from the green to the red. And if that does happen at an area of support, it is going to break that support as the momentum direction has changed from green to red. So again, be prepared if price does come back down here at $56.13. It is going to break that amount of support given if the MACD indicator changes from the green over to the red and changes direction. So that is my video here for Compound. Like, subscribe if you're new, comment down below, but I'll see you next time.